Ay, mamaya na yung camera, please!
It's for new shows. There's songs for yung mga current shows. It's for yung mga bagong shows. Yes, these are brand new shows. These are pilot episodes. Pilot episodes that they give to mga networks. And they pick up the things.
Palisin nyo yan!
Pumasok sa boobs stick yung
I don't think it would. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. I would be part of it.
Hindi pa naman sa meron
But the thing is, it's also it's a complicated process. Kasi yung mga pilot episodes, it's when we start taping. Let's say I get accepted into a pilot episode. We start taping. It's for a pilot episode. It's like one episode or one week, one episode, or just like it's just 1 week that they shoot for, and then they show
Ready for
it doesn't say that it's going to be put in production though, so it's going to be taping. The producers like it, and it will be put in.
One more! Ulit.
Yes, great. Like I said, over 3 months. Babalik ako, but if ever I extend, it would be because of work. It would be because of the fact that I have work. So, ano naman?
So, alam mo na, pinagawa namin March, April, May. Pag June na.
Yes. That was trying to go that year. And don't worry, I'm not someone I will be updating, of course. And si Doc Tagala, I hope that will be interviewing me and somehow give updates through TFC and everything. So I'm sure they're always updates.
So you're nasa Chalab na pagdating ng June kumabit sa
I'm also, while I'm there, I'll be joining Angeline's concert tour. So kasi weekends off.
4, 3, 2, action! Tinginan! Looking and woo! Golden face to face!
So pag-alis mo, sino?
Mark yung action face mo siya. Yan.
If there's one sobrang
Yung Olive. Ate Olive.